Welcome to Users Productions. This video will demo how to repair Samsung Android earphone with USB-C. Can use on Apple and Samsung Android devices.
Please support us by click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, backup the HTTPS link. Step 01. Insert the jack case in the cable. Steps 02. Twist deep green, microphone ground, gold, ground, 2 times ground wires and 1 times ground wire. Black, left audio. Green, microphone. Deep green, microphone ground. Red, right audio. Gold, ground. Step 03. Identify the cable. Black, left audio. Green, microphone. Red, right audio. Gold, ground plus deep green, microphone ground, ground. Step 04. Use lighter in your mouth. Burn out insulating coating by lighter, and stop the fire at correct location by your blowing mouth. Remark, no saliva. Step 05. Cut and remain 1.5 mm burned out wire for soldering. Step 06. Use solder paste to heat the 1.5 mm soldering points, preparing for soldering. Step 07. Use soldering iron to make the wire heat enough to make the solder dissolve in wire. Remark, 1. You can add little solder paste to wire before soldering. 2. Remove the solder on solder iron. If solder is overheated by solder iron by long time, overheated solder is difficult to soldering. 3. Don't overheated wire by long time. It will destructure insulator in part of wire. Cut out part of wire may need. Step 08. Cut the soldered wires to 1.5 mm.
Step 09. Use soldering iron to melt the solder on both wire and soldering point to make them together in correct location.
2 times ground, 1 wire. Red, right audio. Green, microphone. Black, left audio.
Step 10. Use hot glue gun to fix the location of USC-C. Step 11. Close the jack case. Step 12. This USB-C earphone can use on Apple and Samsung Android device.
Click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, backup the HTTPS link. Click below. Links to support us to buy the product. Click like, click subscribe, click alarm all new videos. Copy, share, backup the HTTPS link.